Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how ChatGPT is revolutionizing digital strategy. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So ChatGPT is a really good platform, number one, for creating content creation, for personalization, customer engagement. It can even help with customer support, and it's also very helpful for social media marketing. But first things first, let's talk about content creation itself. So ChatGPT, you could use it as a free platform, or you can pay for it as well. So either or, both really good for how it is. They've also had a bit of an update with the image generator as well. So all the images are a lot more accurate than it used to be. But anyway, let's get started with the content creation. So as you know, content creation is pretty much the backbone of most digital strategies, but it can be, of course, very time consuming and resource heavy. So this is where ChatGPT steps in, almost treated like an assistant. ChatGPT, I would say, helps a load of businesses generate high quality written content a lot faster and more efficiently. So whether it's going to be blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, or even email campaigns, ChatGPT can assist in writing engaging and relevant content. So I'm just going to go ahead and showcase how you could use it. Let's just pick a topic first. Let's just go with digital marketing. Now, of course, our brand here is ProfileTree. So what we want to give it first is an idea of what our business is all about. So, of course, we do digital marketing, we do SEO strategy, video production as well, website development. But a faster way that you can get your information, if you have a website, is by actually typing in your domain name. And then what we're going to simply do is, can you please give me some information about my company? Now, let's just say you don't have a website at the minute. Give it as much information about your business as possible. So again, we'll do another prompt as well, where I'm giving it details that we do digital marketing, SEO strategy, how long we've been about for, how many people we've helped, like what we specialize in. It's just loads and loads of detail about your actual business. Now, you can see here I've entered the domain name. I've also made a quick prompt on, can you please give me some information about my company? And if you've noticed as well, I've actually activated the search function. Now, what this enables us to do is, or enables ChatGPT to do, is to research more about my company. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And you can see it's searching the web here. Perfect. So it's actually pulled out some sources, which is fantastic. And it's giving us every single bit of information that we need, especially with help for creating blog content or even social media content. So it's even given us some company details, which is great. That's what we need. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is disable the search function. Now let me show you another way to do this. So again, let's just say we don't have that website. So I'm going to ask it, my business name is ProfileTree. Content marketing and strategy, we'll just say. But of course, that covers with digital marketing. Now, we'll also say, being in business since 2011. I need help creating some social media posts. Can you please give me 7 days worth of social media content? Again, you can see here, I didn't use the search function. I've actually just entered in a prompt. So I'm going to hit enter. So what it's done here is it's tailored a plan for me. And because I've given it enough information on what we do, again, I could still provide it more information, like even more. I can even provide images as well, or previous social media content that I've done. And again, that's what's going to help this particular chat. So again, there's two ways there. You could use the domain name, or you can write up the prompt yourself. So going back to our first one here, I'm going to ask it now for, let's just say, social media content. So I'm just going to say, I'll do the same thing as I done there previously. Again, the best way that you could possibly use ChatGPT is just to treat it like a human. Talk to it the way you would talk to a human or a friend, family member, anything like that, or even a client. So you can see here, it's given us a couple of days there. Perfect. So you can see how fast it's actually generating that content for us, or social media post ideas. So perfect. Now, what we want to do here is, let's just say we're stuck for a caption. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this particular day into the prompt. Can you please structure hashtags and a website link? And of course, this will depend on the social media platform that you're posting it to. Facebook does accept links, Instagram doesn't. LinkedIn can accept links as well. So again, it just really depends on the platform you're using. So you can see here, it's went ahead and given us a caption as well as some hashtags. But of course, what we need to do is research these hashtags, but it's a good foundation to be at. So I'm happy enough with this, and of course from here I can go ahead and build up my post. So that's one of the ways you can use ChatGPT. Now let's just say, again, for content creation, we want to create a blog. So again, I'm just going to enter in my domain name. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to again enable that search function. You can also see that there's all like other options there, such as a deep research, which again, it'll go into several different sources to pull out information for you. You can also create an image. Again, that'll be very handy for creating a featured image for a blog post, or even adding some images throughout that particular blog. But you can see here, it's given us a list of different options, such as SEO and technical optimization, content marketing and AI, visual strategy and video, or video and visual strategy, sorry, and digital marketing, or digital strategy and training. So let's just pick one out here. So let's just go for upskilling your team. So I need, let's just say 1,500 words. So again, just be careful whenever you're copying any of the content that ChatGPT gives you, especially at the start. Sometimes it can sound a little bit too AI, or what you'll notice as well is certain words are Americanized English. So you want to ask it, right, okay, could you convert that to UK English? Of course, if you're within that region, it's fine. But for us here, we'll want to use S's instead of Z's. We want to make sure to cover the missing U's, like say, for example, color, how it's COLOR, and then for us it's COLOUR. So again, it's just those little things that make up for the content. So it's provided us with information. So perfect, I can work with that now. Now I'm going to ask it as well, can you please create a featured image for my blog? And the great thing about this is, yes, it will create that image, but you can also resize it using ChatGPT. So if you need it to be, let's just say 1080 by 720, you can go ahead and do that, and that will resize the image for you. Now, it's pretty fast for how it works, so I'll skip ahead until this is completed. So perfect, it's actually went ahead and done that for us. As you can see, it's pretty good for what it is. Again, we've got upskilling your team, essential digital marketing, training for 2025. Again, it's presented what we need. Now, I'm happy enough with that. The only thing missing really is our logo. So I'm going to show you another technique here. I'm going to upload a file and upload from computer. Now, you'll not see on my screen here, but I will add in our ProfileTree logo. Now you'll see it appear here, as you can see. I'm going to say, can you please add this logo on the bottom left? Can you also make the colors, let's just say, well, blue's actually okay, but just for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to say, can you make the color, let's just say green, dark green instead of blue. And again, it's going to go ahead and do that. Bit of a typo there, but again, I'll skip ahead once this is completed. So there you have it. We actually have a blog now. It's converted that blue color to dark green. And on top of that, we've got our logo here as well. Now again, I can go ahead and convert that to, you could even see how it's made that color white as well. So it's changed the green design to that color white. So let me just see if I can get the hex code for this. Okay, 33 BC 77. Can you make the background this color, please? Again, I'll just skip ahead once that's completed. And there you go, you could see there, it's went ahead and converted the background to that particular hex code. Again, what I could have done there, not too sure why it's converted the logo to black, but again, I can adjust that just by asking ChatGPT itself. But there you have it. That is how you would use ChatGPT then for content creation. So we'll go ahead and move on to our next one. So another thing that ChatGPT is really good for is back office processes and just for customer support. So I actually just made up something here, which is a client sending us an email. So again, what I could do here is ask ChatGPT. So why could I reply back to this email in a nice tone? Okay, perfect. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter for that one. So again, if you just give it enough detail as well, it's going to be able to provide that for you. But you can see here how it sort of calms the situation down, especially between your client and yourself. So that's one of the advantages of using ChatGPT for your back office process. Now, that's just one of the options that you could do, of course. It can help you with organizing your Excel sheets, even your documents. Again, it's just through clicking the plus symbol here and uploading from computer. And as long as you upload any of your CSV files or any of your docs, you can ask it to read it through your documents and to organize it better for you. But there you guys have it. That pretty much reaches the end of the video. Now, if you found the video helpful, let us know in the comment section below. Like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.